What's up, YouTube? Mo with the Blacktop Nomad here again, and once again we are on the hunt for parts for farm truck. So, before I put the topper into the truck, I want to hopefully find a bedliner and maybe some rail caps for this thing. I've called around to a bunch of different salvage yards. Nobody seems to have it. The one place that said they had the part, charged me for the part, got there, nothing. So we are back on the hunt again. I called this salvage yard. They said they've got some Silverados. Can't tell me if they have anything, so this may be a very pointless trip, but we're gonna make it anyway. So hopefully we strike some gold and get something out of the deal. If you'll notice, we still haven't fixed the door pin issue, so a little whistly in here, and the truck, interstate speed is not its favorite. It does like to drink gas on the interstate here, but pulling good. I'm really hoping we get something worthwhile on this haul. Otherwise, this is going to be a lot of wasted gas money for nothing. Well, I guess we're here. Let's go inside and figure out if we can find anything. As I figured, we're striking out mighty here. I might be able to get a set of bed rail caps, but nothing else is looking very promising here. Well, that was a waste of a trip. A lot of wasted effort for nothing. So, striking out. Guess we're heading back home. That's what it is. That's what happens. Maybe we'll just order something new. I have no idea at this point. We'll see.
3 days later.
Alright, we found one, but oh my lord. This is going to be a task to get off. Hoping. The nice man at the wrecker said he'd take that one up for me. Oh, at least I don't have to carry that son of a... That would have been heavy. Alright, well, let's get a tailgate thing. Let's get out of here. Well, we at least scored something. So, that's a bedliner and the tailgate part for the bedliner. No luck on the actual rail caps. I think I just might spend the money and just buy them at this point. But all right, I had to come back, clear back to the yard because I dropped my keys, and now I'm heading back up to pay for it, and then we're going to take the truck to the wash and get that bedliner clean. All right, just did a quick fit at the wrecking yard. It is in, it fits, it needs finished installed. It is filthy, and there's a lot of glass in it that did not come out when I tipped it. So home to sweep, and then to the car wash, because I don't think the car wash would appreciate me just washing a bunch of glass out in their bay. So, all right, let's head home. Just once I want to leave one of these wrecking yard adventures, not looking like I sweat the entire time I was doing it, but I'm sure the cool temperatures are coming way too soon. So I guess you'll just have to deal with me sweaty for now. But I'm just so excited. Yay! We have a bedliner. We have something done on this project. I was really thinking we were going to strike out on every single thing we went to. I've been to like 9 wrecking yards. I kid you not. So, went to the one closest to home. They had a pickup in. Woo, there went a semi. That boy was trucking. But who'd have known? I could have just stayed home and just been patient, and there would have been another one. But that's my luck. Oh well. I got it. Let's get home, scoop some of the crap out of it, and let's get it cleaned up, see what it looks like. Okay, so you can see we still got a lot of crap here. I was really hoping all of it would dump out, but I knew with it being like muddy and stuff like that, there was no chance. So what I'm gonna do is set up the camera and go ahead and sweep this out. And we're gonna go ahead and wash it and see if it cleans up okay. Well, that was just a quick sweep, and you can see all the glass and everything, and there's still a bunch in there, and it just basically turned my brooms into mud. So I think what I'm going to do is remove the tailgate quick, take it to the car wash, have it all rinsed out the back, bring the broom with me, clean the broom off, broom up with the car wash, so I don't leave a mess in there. Let's go ahead and get the tailgate off, and I'm going to head to the wash. I'm going to probably not film this segment because I assume I'm going to wear this because of so much mud. I backed up to the grate, so hopefully it'll just flow in there. I brought the broom so I can sweep anything else, so I'm not one of those menaces who leaves a mess in the wash bay. I also went to not my favorite car wash because I want some plausible deniability in case this goes just horribly wrong. So wish me luck. Be back in a few. Okay, I just wanted to show proof that I did sweep this bay up. I am not a monster. Actually, it's actually probably cleaner than the truck, which I'm gonna go home now and position it in a downhill position so I can get the rest of the crap out of the bed. As you can see, it's still sedimentary here. And I was fighting an uphill battle, literally. Let's go back home, turn the hose on. I think this is gonna be way better than it was, but it gives us a starting point. Just a quick reference, how much crap was flying everywhere. This is my windshield. I didn't actually bother to wash the truck because I was already like 14 bucks into this whole adventure. Like I said, I'm just gonna give it a good hose off. Since we're planning to do some off-road stuff here in the future, not too distant future anyway, I figure why bother getting it super clean. Oh, yeah, yummy. All right, I think it might be time for a new driver's side windshield wiper too, because that one works. It's always the passenger side that works, and then the driver's side just never does. All right, back home. I actually did a smart thing for once. I took the bedliner back out and re-rinsed the bottom of the truck bed, and then I took the bedliner out, rinsed the bottom and the top of it, and now I'm letting the two dry. And it's probably a good thing because look at all the stuff I was finding underneath, which is not what you want. I mean, I just wanted something to promote a decent floor other than just the steel bed, and I definitely don't want to encourage more rust to happen. We'll let the truck dry out, we'll let the bed liner dry out, and then we'll throw it all back together. I went ahead and even deep scrubbed the bed using some Dawn, some super clean product. I figure if Dawn's good enough to wash the oil off of the baby birds, it should be good enough for this thing. Now this floor is completely slick with all the soap on it, and I'm gonna wash it out. Hopefully this will dry up soon. We can either throw them back in the bed. Getting ready to put the bed liner pad on the tailgate, and they come with these little self tappers with a Phillips head on them, but I don't trust that because nothing has been, there's no pre-existing pilot holes in anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use these little 1/4-inch gutter screws to make my pilot holes, and then I will go ahead and drive in the factory ones, because I've got 2 bolts here for the tailgate latch that kind of helps secure it so it's kind of lined up. So all I got to do is throw in my gutter screw pilot holes, and then I'll add the factory bolts. Pads on, bed's dry. Let's go ahead and up here and get it back in the truck. And oh, voila. Now I just got to add 2 more screws and it's complete. Well, that's all for this video. We got the bed liner in, so now we actually have a somewhat usable floor that we can start our camper conversion, so that's kind of exciting. But I'm gonna get out of here. Hope to see everybody out there on the road. Take care, everybody.